What's going on, guys? So in today's video I need your help. Hopefully you, whoever you're watching this, knows what I do not. And so I got to thinking the other day, y'all are coming onto my channel to see how something is done, or my opinion, or the way I do it, whatever the case may be. But in this scenario I have no clue, and what I'm talking about, I'm sure you can tell by the title, is fixing the exhaust on Larry. So I have no clue how to weld. I've got a welder and stuff, so I need y'all's help. But before we get into that, Larry needs my help because Larry's battery has officially decided that anything past like 2 days of sitting, it's done it's done with life. And I refused. I really don't want to buy a battery. We got to jump Larry off and get it running, and then hopefully y'all can help me. And I forgot my battery is all the way over there, so that's super sick. Let's crank her up. So this is the welder that I have, and let's see, toss on the light. Try to tell me what settings I need. I have no clue. I've got the .035 welding wire. Rip my wheel. Minimum, maximum, I don't know. I've had it on maximum. I've had this anywhere between 2 and 4. Let me know. I'm going to show you the end of the end of the gun. It's probably going to make y'all cringe. I'm guessing it's burning way too hot, or I'm just burning way too much. I don't know. Okay, I'm puttying it up. It's got a lot of the stuff that drops down, so it's not really. I tried a little bit on this before I did it. So yes, this is going to make a lot of people cringe. This was like the first time when I was just trying it, and this is just scrap exhaust tip. It's actually off the Tacoma. As you see, it's like puttying up. It's not really like welding actually. It's just like applying that on top of the pipe. It's not actually welding to the pipe. So somebody help me. Somebody direct me. For anyone that knows what they're doing, please help me. I want to get Larry's exhaust finished, welded up, no more exhaust leaks. But in order to do that, I need to learn how to weld. So, like I said, this is what I'm working with. I'm just welding basically 2 pipes together. I've got them clamped, and then just welding that. I need help because it's not working. I'm not getting a good seal or a good weld. Let me know, minimum, maximum, what speed, maybe how am I supposed to like do it in a circle? Am I supposed to just hold it still? How close am I supposed to be with this? Give me a full rundown. Be descriptive as possible, and just let me know and help me with this so we can get Larry back up and no exhaust leaks and just sounding freaking beastly like it is, but with no freaking crap. I think it's kind of cool that I can make a video and ask y'all for help. Hopefully I do get some good insight, and I can learn something and actually do this correctly. So fingers crossed. Be easy on me. I'm complete noob. I have no clue what I'm doing. Let me know. And so I'll see y'all in the comment section. Thanks.